Another question that we often get is, Rightus, what if I'm not good on camera? I'm not like you. I don't have public speaking experience. I've never done any videos. I'm a researcher. I'm behind a camera. I'm behind a computer. I've written books. I've written blog articles, but I do not like the camera. Camera frightens me. Hey, look, I get it. We have worked with people from all walks of life. We have worked with people who've been on television, on news, and interviews, and different mediums, and they're very, very confident being on camera. They actually light up when they're in front of the camera. And then we have worked with people who are terrified of camera. They are incredibly smart. They have a lot of ideas, but they are terrified of camera. So maybe you are over here, but most likely you're somewhere in the middle. Maybe not extremely terrified, but you kind of question yourself if you'd be good on camera. Or maybe you're over here that you are absolutely terrified. First of all, I want to acknowledge your feelings. It's normal. Because it's really, being on a camera, it's like public speaking. And public speaking is number one fear people have. Just acknowledge that that's okay to feel those feelings. And number two, realize that when you work with us, as you can tell, I'm pretty comfortable for being in front of camera. It didn't happen overnight. So what I will do for you and what my team will do for you will shorten the process. When you arrive, you'll feel welcome, you'll feel like at home, and then we'll give you coaching strategies and tips how to be your best self in front of camera. And here's how we're different here at Thrive Courses Studio. We'll give you tips and strategies how to be best self on camera for an online course. Because the way you are in a movie, let's say hypothetically, it's completely different than a TV show or interview or teaching an online course. There are a lot of great videographers out there who are gonna make you look great, but they will not see the detail that my team can see, because what we've been doing for the last 5 years, we've been creating online courses. And I don't know when you watch this video, maybe now it's already 7 or 8 years we've been doing this. So it depends really when you're watching this video. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna coach you and walk you through, and we'll give you that motivation, we'll give you those tools that you need to be your authentic self. Because you don't have to be anyone else. Our job is to bring that authentic self that you are already, give you some advanced strategies, how to gesture, how to move in your hips, how to remind you to smile, things like that. Those small, simple changes can make a drastic change. And every client who been fearful of public speaking, been fearful of being in front of a camera, when they arrive, they're almost like a little shaky. And by the time they leave, they always say, Rightus, thank you so much for this experience. You made me feel confident. You guys made me feel at home. And I can't believe it was so much easier than I was thinking before I arrived. So again, if you are terrified of public speaking, do not worry, you're in good hands. We're gonna help you bring your authentic self to the camera so that your students, when they watch you, they feel that connection and they feel that authentic you that's sitting in front of them and taking advice from you. So thanks so much. And if that has helped you to overcome this obstacle, book that call, schedule your free consultation, and we cannot wait to work with you.